It's unbelievable, but yes, we are going to interview Bernie Fineman from Chop Shop. There's a date in the diary and we're going to go up and see him, and I want all you guys at home to be involved, because only by you watching the video so many times it gave us the credibility that Bernie actually agreed to do this. So what I want to ask, well actually no, I'm not going to ask, I'll let the man himself ask.
Hi, it's Bernie from Chop Shop. Oscar's Garage wants to do a small interview with me about the general public who would like to ask certain questions about Chop Shop and of course Classic Car Rescue. I'm sure there's loads of things that you want to know what went on behind the scenes. Well, send in your questions to Oscar's Garage, and if I feel like it, I'll answer them. If I don't, I'll tell you. Okay? So, see you there, or be square. Bye for now.
So there you have it from the man himself. I am getting a little bit of trepidation about doing this. Maybe there's a reason no one else has done it before. But hey ho, time will tell. But it's over to you guys. Ask the questions you want answers to. Is it around Bangla Bangers, when Bernie and Leepu first appeared on our TV screen, and obviously Bernie travelled halfway around the world to build some of those wild and wacky designs with Leepu? And then obviously on to Chop Shop, when Leepu came over to London and they knocked out all those cars in a relatively short period of time. You know, do you want to know what went on behind the scenes there? What about some of those celebrities that they built cars for? Any juicy stories maybe he's got? Anything you want to ask about those? And of course his relationship with Leepu and how those two really got on. And then of course on to Classic Car Rescue, and with the recently sadly departed Mario. Any stories from behind that? That was obviously a slightly different format to what we've been used to in the previous programmes. But maybe there's some stories to tell behind the scenes there and things you want the answers to. So it's up to you guys. Get those questions in the comments below and then leave the rest up to us.